In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos on Amazon Photos. Whether you're looking to back up your precious memories or simply want to manage your photo collection with ease, Amazon Photos is a great tool to help you do just that. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is visit Amazon Photos. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Amazon Photos website. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the main page, where you'll need to sign into your account. Use your Amazon credentials to log in, your email and password, just as you would for any other Amazon service. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main interface of Amazon Photos. At this point, look to the top right of the page. You'll notice an Add icon, which is represented by a plus sign. This icon is key to uploading your treasured photos. Give it a click, and a menu of options will unfold before you, presenting you with a couple of different paths to upload your photos. You now have a choice to make, depending on your needs. If you're looking to upload individual photos, you'll want to select the option labeled Upload Photos. This is perfect for those moments when you want to add select images rather than a whole batch. But if you have an entire album on your computer ready to be uploaded, you'll choose Upload Folder instead. This is the more efficient route for those larger collections. Having decided on your upload method, it's time to find those photos. A File Explorer window will pop up, giving you access to the files and folders on your computer. Take your time to browse your computer and navigate to the location where your photos or the folder you wish to upload are stored. Once you find them, click to select either the individual photos or the entire folder, depending on your earlier choice. Now that your photos or folder are selected, it's time to start the uploading process. With your files highlighted, you'll want to hit the Open button at the bottom of the File Explorer window. This action will initiate the upload process, and your photos will begin their journey to the cloud. Amazon Photos will handle the uploading automatically from here, so feel free to sit back and relax, as your photos are safely stored in your account. Once the upload is finished, you can access and organize them as you like, knowing they're securely backed up. And there you have it, a straightforward way to upload your photos to Amazon Photos. Thanks for watching, and happy photo managing!